Hi viewers, hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss the disadvantages or drawbacks of the cryptocurrency. But before starting, I must request, if you don't still subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and press a bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's start. Much time has been spent lauding blockchain and cryptocurrencies in this series. However, cryptocurrencies suffer from several drawbacks that have led many to refer to them as a next bubble. First drawback of the cryptocurrency is scalability. Probably the biggest concern with the cryptocurrency are the problems with scaling that are posed. While the number of digital coins and adoption is increasing rapidly, it is still dwarfed by the number of transactions that payment giant Visa process each day. The second major drawback is a cybersecurity issue. As a digital technology, cryptocurrency will be subject to cybersecurity breaches and may fall into the hands of hackers. We have already seen the evidence of this with the multiple ICOs getting breached and costing investors hundreds of millions of dollars this summer alone. One of these attacks by itself resulted in the loss of the $473 million. Mitigating this will require the continuous upkeep of security infrastructure, but we are already seeing many players leading with this directly and using enhanced cybersecurity measures that go beyond those used in traditional banking industries. The third one drawback is the price volatility and lack of inherent value. Price volatility tied to a lack in inherent value is a major problem and one of the specific that Buffett referred to specifically a few weeks ago when Hans characterized the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a bubble. It is an important concern but one which can be overcome by linking the cryptocurrency value directly to tangible and intangible assets. The fourth and the last bad drawback of the cryptocurrency is the regulation. Buffett also touched with this problem in his talk. He said it does not make sense. This thing is not regulated. It is not under control. It's not under the supervision of any, like United States Federal Reserves or any other central bank. I don't believe in this whole thing at all. It thinks it's going to implode. So it is understood it is not a secure system. I hope you like this video. If you need any more information, feel free to ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.